Hi, I'm sharing my honest journey of rebuilding myself from scratch financially, physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. And also what I'm planning next. Hi guys, I'm Saloni Kurgaonkar and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm extremely sorry for the delays in my videos, but I have the explanation for everything. So let me introduce to you all like a small introduction from myself. So hi, as I told you, I'm Saloni Kolgaonkar. I'm a Goan-based content creator. I stay in Goa. I'm born and brought up in Goa. I'm currently 22 years old and I'm planning to do my masters in geoinformatics. So this is the current and a small update from me. So in this video is particularly about mid-year check-in. So every year I used to do mid-year check-ins, but I never shoot it. Like I was having that journal of Simba lifestyle, which I used to do like every year when the June was about to start. I used to really recollect what I really did it in my last 6 months, and yeah, that was most helpful thing I could do. But today I thought of shooting that entire process and what I'm doing exactly in it. So, what is mid-year check-in? It's basically what are your goals, what you like in the starting of the year, what were your goals, how much you accomplished, and how many things you haven't done it. So for me, there are everything that is literally piled up in my life. I have to literally sort everything and do everything from scratch, and I'm starting that journey with you all today. Means I'm gonna shoot everything, I'm gonna document everything, as many things as possible, and I'm gonna upload it. Like it's a journey where I'm gonna show what it's helping me to get out of like a situation which is not actually in my side, but I'm gonna shoot everything and show you to you. Start with the highlights of last 5 months, what actually happened and how like I didn't post anything. The last video you saw on this channel was the actually my birthday vlog, but I removed that for so many reasons. But it's okay, we'll not focus on that. What happened was that my mother's health was not in a good condition. That's why I was not able to focus on my socials. But now I'm back and she's also fine. She's recovering. I'm not gonna talk about like much about that thing because that is too personal for me, but currently she's recovering, she's fine. So from this, like today is 15th of June, we are starting this series of rebuilding myself. Okay, I'm gonna do a short videos also and I'm gonna upload it, and also I'm gonna update you on my Instagrams. So these are my social, you can follow me on that. Whatever things that happened with my mother is not only belongs to her, that actually affected all of us. Like we were not in a good phase of our life, but I was struggling mentally, physically, emotionally. And now the time has been changed. I was just waiting for the time where I feel like doing something and feel like doing videos, and this is the time where I exactly feel like now I'm in a good space and good mood to do everything. So I'm not gonna do something very drastic, and I'm not gonna tell you to have like I do 7 steps every morning like that. The small steps that actually makes me do something, and that actually makes me like small step that will lead to the habit, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so right now I'm not being productive at all. I'm waking up at 10 a.m. in the morning, but from now I have to start getting up early. Early means exactly at 5 a.m. or like between 5 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. because there are many things piled up and I really don't have any time to do that. Because why don't I have time? Because I sleep at 3:30 a.m. and getting up at 8 like 10:30 a.m. This is like a most irritating like habit I have, or like a routine I do follow, but I'm gonna change that. I really want to get into something. I really want to be my best self this year, and I'm gonna shoot it for y'all. And yeah, this was the small update from last 5 months. Actually, I was procrastinating everything. Okay, I was having my brand shoots piled up. I was having my, oh my god, I was having my online entrance exam, but I cleared it, and I'm so happy for that. I literally studied for the last moments, and I'm God favorite child. You can say it like that because I'll tell you the story. This is a story time. Okay, so my mother's health got affected, she was affected on like 27th of February after 2 days of my birthday. Yeah, so that is most traumatic thing that happened. And after that, I was having my entrance exam on 15th of March. But oh my god, my Krishna, he is just he loves me the most. My exam got postponed in June, which is on like 5th of June. And I was so happy for that. And that also my exams got online. Before that it was offline. I have to go there and give my exam. But me being the god favorite child, my exams were like great. I got like much more, like I got the best marks I ever imagined. And yeah, so now I'm just waiting for the confirmation from all the authorities, and I'm gonna tell you all what is that and which college and which university I'm planning to go. That moment from like last 5 months, I was into such a bad phase as I gained a lots of weight. My hair is like I'm getting extreme hair fall. My skin is not at all skinning. I don't have proper routines. I don't eat properly. I don't drink water. So everything is just getting drastically disgusting. So from now I'm gonna do it, like I'm gonna do everything. I'm gonna shoot small amount of videos which I do and gonna upload this. So right now we are gonna focus on mid-year check-in. Okay, so I told you about what happened exactly, and now we are focusing on today, like in present, what I'm gonna do. So first of all, decluttering. I already did it, but I didn't shoot. I'm gonna upload some pictures or videos over here. What I did. What is decluttering for me is like, if my bedroom and my environment is not clear, I can't think clearer. Okay, so I always, like in mid-year check-in, what I do is I clean my room from deep, it's like a deep cleaning session for me. I'm taking 2 days for that. Starting from the bed, I'm removing the bed and whatever furniture which is movable, I'm removing that, doing the cleaning, washing the floor and everything, then changing the water of my plants. I have plants which is just getting grown in the water, so I'm changing the whole water from there. Then my makeup, if the products are which I'm not using, I'm just giving it to my cousins or my friends. Then my wardrobe, I'm just rearranging everything, keeping it in a very section wise, like my tops, my kurtas and everything. Then for my mind, when I don't think clear, like I always do this media check-ins where I write everything, like a journaling kind of session. Whatever I'm thinking, whatever my future plan is, I'm always gonna write it. When I write it, I know I have to do it. So that is one thing that actually works for me, and you can also try. This is a tip from me. Then cleaning my makeup brushes, cleaning my shoes, and now it's rainy season in Goa, so we can't do like a shoes thing, but I can clean my slippers and whatever things are remain. Then the self care, a nice self care, like everything shower. But what I do is I'm not using any expensive products for that. Whichever suitable for me and which are budget friendly, I'm using that. Okay, yeah, from my hair care, body care, like skin care and everything I do in that. I like my current, like if I have my bed in certain position and if I feel like I have to change and rearrange the spaces, then I also do that. But this time it's properly, like in the form of vastu, like it is curated like that, and I have placed everything according to the vastu. Now I have divided my goals into monthly, quaternary, and yearly goals. Okay. So the first goal is to lose weight. Okay. I have gained lots of weight, and that is affecting my actual menstrual cycle and my skin. Okay, so I have to do many things for that. Like I have to do regular exercise, walking. I have to cut down sugar. I have to cut down fast food. I have to like I used to consume a lots of fast food from last few days, but now I have to control it. So these are the main goals, and I have to start budgeting. I don't save at all, guys. I don't save, and now I have to save it because whenever the emergency come, I don't have money, and I don't like to borrow it from my father also, adulting thing. But yeah, we have to go, like we have to do that also. The physical health, I feel like I'm gonna do exercise, a proper diet where I have a routine of eating whatever it's appropriate, and I wanna eat clean. Okay, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna eat everything like that. See, I live with my family and my family cooks for me. Okay, but I'm gonna see that I'm not gonna have too much of things. Like I'm gonna do the portion wise food. Okay, like I am from Goan household, I'm proper Goikar, so there is a fried fish every day whenever the non-veg food is there. I have to see that I don't have to pick 4 to 5 pieces. I just have to eat one. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do my skincare thoroughly because my skin needs a help. As can you see this? Like my skin is not at all in a good phase. I have to do my skincare properly. My hair care. My hair is not hairing right now, so I'm gonna do that. When we talk about mental and emotional care, I do journaling. Okay, it might sound drastic, like journaling can't do anything, but actually when you don't follow what others are following and what you like to do, it will work. I don't write the prompts from online and taking from somewhere. I write what I feel to write. Okay, like if I feel like I'm feeling like this today, I'm gonna write that. I'm not thinking about any spellings or whatever feel like it's not good. It's only for me. I'm gonna read it. No one is gonna read and come and read that. So it's don't have to be perfect. It's all about you. You should feel comfortable writing that, and you should know what you're writing in it. So I'm gonna do that. Then I thought of doing like a challenge for me, like one hobby every new week. So last week I did was a journaling hobby. I did a lots of journaling things. I made lots of bucket list. I'm gonna show some of those over here. Yeah. So this month, today's Monday, basically, I'm gonna do gardening. Okay, I have lots of plants, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show like put some short images over here. Okay, I'm not gonna put a like a video or not gonna shoot because I am planning to do many more vlogs about it and do many things. So I'm not gonna put everything in one video. As I feel like in last 22 years of my life, I haven't done anything very drastic, but more like a comfortable things. Now this is the time where I have to step out from my comfort zone and really think about what actually I can do and what actually my best self version can do. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna tell you how it works and what are the tips I follow. Okay, I'm not gonna influence you by, yeah, you should do this like 7 step of morning routine. No, which is actually needed, which actually helps you. It actually helps me also. Now I have to do one thing, which is rebuilding mindset. I have to be more patient. I have to be more consistent. Okay, so these are the things I'm gonna follow whenever when I'm starting my rebuilding myself. I have to be more patient. I have to be more creative while thinking. I have to be more consistent because consistency I can't do that. Okay, because in I saw myself that whenever I feel motivated, I'll do everything in a one day, but next day I feel like I should not do anything. I don't feel like doing anything. But now I have actually like divided and segregated my work for every single day. I'm not piling up the things for only one day. I'll do it everything in one day. No, now I have to be consistent with my work. And you know what is the most important thing is when you do something, like when you actually get up from your bed and do something, now that time you will feel like there is nothing in your mind that is bothering you. Okay, what this is what I feel. Okay, if something is bothering me, like I'm thinking something and there are some negative thoughts, and if I get up and start cleaning my some room, the thought will go. Exactly, the thought will go, and that is what I'm doing from last few weeks. and that actually works. Tip, another tip for you all: if you like this video and if you really want to join in this journey, I hope you subscribe to that button, like to my channel, like this video, and tell me about what are your goals for this year, like what you feel like doing this year. And I hope you are joining me in this journey, and I will be more grateful if you join with me, and I'll be happy if any tips I'm sharing which is helpful for you in your life. Like, I have thought of doing alternate days videos. Like, if today I'm posting, I'm gonna post day after tomorrow. So I hope you are ready for the all videos I have curated. I have like lots of ideas. I'm gonna do everything and I'm gonna post everything which will help you to grow, because I in my self-care era, and of course I'm gonna help you in that. And there are some tips which will help you. Yeah. And today, so it's the end of today's video. I hope you love this video. Show your love. Tell me about your goals in the comment section. Subscribe to that button. Follow my socials. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.